This is my push button revision 2. There are 4 printed parts and then just a couple off-the-shelf parts, including just a standard micro switch. This spring came off a separate push button, but it's a 1 inch in length, 0.56 OD, and the wire diameter is 0.027 inches. Uncompressed length is 1 inch again, I think I said. And some small M2 screws. First, there's the hub. You can see that there's a lip inside of there that will retain this sleeve. I've had to do just a little bit of sanding on the sleeve to make it slide smoothly inside of the hub. That will drop nicely into there. Spring goes in there. Hole's just a little tight, but it'll thread nicely in there. Before we get to the other side. Go. Now that little button is sticking just below the surface there. Just take that guy, cap it, and we're going to thread it on. Oops. Till it bottoms out. You can kind of see there. So I got some in there. I'll push button, thread on. And that's it.